Throughout history, art has been used to tell stories, to express ideas, and to leave a lasting impression. Art was used to further the Christian message and tell the stories of the Bible. From paintings to simple drawings, art helps us see and remember things in a different way. And when we pair art with God's Word, it becomes more than just something we create. It becomes something we remember. It's a visual reminder. Art is something kids naturally enjoy, and the Bible is something we want them to remember. But those two things often stay separate. But when we bring them together, something really meaningful happens. Pair a Bible verse with something a child can create. When kids draw, color, or build something from a verse, they're not just hearing it, they're connecting to it. And we're using creative energy, the creativity God has given all of us, which we can give back to Him and use for His glory. And we're connecting with the Creator. A tree can remind us of being rooted in God's Word. A shield can remind us of faith. Light can remind us God is our light. Play-Doh can remind us that He is the potter and we are the clay, molded by His hands. Flowers can remind us that we are to be rooted and established in His love. This doesn't have to be complicated. You can read a verse, create something simple, and talk about what it means. Even a few minutes can make a difference. To make this easier, I've created simple resources that you can use right away. You'll find printable pages, simple art ideas, Bible studies, Bible resources, and coloring pages that work for different ages and learning styles. And lots of art lessons for all ages using all sorts of mediums. The goal isn't the art, it's helping kids remember the Lord in a way that connects to them. If you'd like a simple way to start, you can grab the free Bible Art Starter Kit linked below. It'll walk you through everything step by step. We hope you enjoyed our Heart of You series and you find the creative gift God has given you and that you share that gift with others. Using your creativity to create art isn't just an activity, it has meaning. Art allows us to express our heart, and what better way than to show love for God by using the gift He's given you.